Gerald, first I draw an N shape. Do it now. Everyone, I'm moving fast. Can you follow my pace? I'm going to mark the 2 points, pump, and pump. And so -2 and 5. So this is -2, 0. This is 5, 0. This point here is called the turning point, and let's see what's the turning point. 1.5, 12.25. Yeah. Then after that, the 1.5 is a line of symmetry, and it is 0, 10. Oh, okay. Can Now, can I teach you the way to do it? Which is this? Page 18. Now, can everyone write down this word? SILT. Okay. So this in internet, when I go and search, geography term means a pile of sand. It looks like a quadratic graph. Okay. So now let's start to do this. Can you scroll down and write down example? Can I have example? Can I have a 2 bracket and you tell me what is inside? No, not too big. Can less than 10, x plus 2. The other one? X plus 3. Is it the same as the front? Is it the same as the front thing? No, No, Okay, can. Let's start. Now let's try to do this. I always remember 4 things. S. Can you write down S? S stands for shape of the graph. Can you write down? Jing Feng Okay. Now, can you write down shape of graph? How I determine? Very simple. Because exam no decimals, right? So I look at ax squared. Okay, I look at ax squared. Gerald, are you writing? Okay, ax squared. Now, if a is positive, we say that this is a minimum graph. Or we say this is a U-shaped graph. Or we say this is a smiley face graph. Whatever you call it. Okay. Now, I'm going to change to another color and I want to analyze this question. Shall we do that together? Start. How do I find x squared? Rather, what is my a, Kim Fong? So smart, right? I can sleep, right? What is my a? What must I do? There's no x squared here. What must I do? Expand. What do I get? X squared. So x squared, there's no number in front. So x squared, there's no number in front. So the number is 1. 1 means this is positive. That means this is a minimum curve. Kunz, are you okay? Are you okay? Now, everyone okay? Okay? So without decimals, you know that this curve is a U shape, but I don't know U where. I don't know where's the U. Follow so far? It can be top, down, left, right. Second one, I. Can you write down I? I stands for intersect. Usually for this type of graph, oh, I'm sorry, it's x-intercept. And then erase the I. Intersect. Oh, okay. Now, how to find x-intercept? From set 2, you learn that how to find x-intercept. Let what? If I let x be 0, how to find x-intercept? I must let what be 0? Very good. Can you write down? I will let y be 0. The y look like G. Oh my god. Can you write down let y be 0? So the point will be something, comma, 0, something, comma, 0. Can you write that down? Now change to green pen, change to green pen. Now in this example, the question is given by you. So I put 0 equals to x plus 2, x plus 3. What happened? What happened? What is x? Negative 2 and negative 3. Correct or not? Can you tell me what's the x-intercept? Negative 2, 0, and negative 3, 0. Digest. Can do like that. Exam is good at that. All can digest. Which one? This one. The S. S only tell you whether is it U or N. Again, if the A is minus, then it's an N shape at maximum. Oh, I forgot to write. I forgot to write A is positive. I forgot to write A is negative. Can you help me add one line here? A is negative. Sorry, Tiffany. I forgot to write that down. Can I zoom in so that it's easier for you to add in? Can I use black color? If A is negative, can you write that down? If A is negative, we say that it is a maximum graph. Sometimes they say it's an N-shaped graph. I don't know who is there, but if A is negative, we say that it is a maximum graph. Can I move down to the I? Actually, I is done, am I correct? Can I go on to the L? Now, L stands for what? What did you say? Oh, so sad. L stands for line of symmetry. Can you write down symmetry means mirror line, and the equation is x equals to a blank. Now, mirror also means half-half. Do you follow? Do you agree? Mirror means if I have 2 points, what happens? Mirror means half of it, right? So what I do is very simple. I will take x equal to x1 plus x2 over 2. I will take the x-intercept sum, then divide by 2. Do you follow? Don't follow. Okay, I go back to the green example. In the green example, what are my x-intercept? Negative 2 and negative 3. That means my x-intercept is, I change to green color. X-intercept is negative 2 plus negative 3 over 2, negative 2.5. I take the first number plus the second number, I divide by 2. Then this is my line of symmetry. So far, okay? What does S stand for? Shape lah. What does I stand for? Intercept. What does L stand for? Line of symmetry. Last one, right? What is T? Yeah, no space. How? No nice. Okay. Okay, turning point, turning point. T is turning point. The most important one. So what do I do? Very simple. I will start my line of symmetry into equation. Because Jia Xuan just now mentioned, the line of symmetry always is on the turning point. Therefore, we start the line of symmetry into the equation. So now let's try. Change my color to green again. X equals to negative 2.5. Can you follow? Please follow, please. 2.5 negative what? Plus 2, right? Then negative 2.5 plus 3. Can you help me with your calculator? Thank you, Dexter. Everyone help lah, everyone. If first one wrong, pang. Usually the first one wrong, you do halfway, you'll get stuck one. I show you how. What's the answer? Negative 1/4. Okay. Can you write down negative 0.25? Is it okay to write negative 1/4? Okay. Now, can you write down the turning point? Negative 2.5. And then negative 0.25. Is this okay? Is this okay? Who don't understand? Which part? Question. Why I get this? Is it? This one I get from where? This one I get from the equation. The one Rachel gave me. Okay, I highlight for you. Somehow Rachel decided this is the question. And and because this is a question, I start back into the equation. Can you see? So eyesight very good one, This is negative 2.5. I put it inside the equation. So negative 2.5 plus 2, negative 2.5 plus 3. This is equation. Is that okay? Then I got this. This one Dexter tell me one should be correct. Then this one is okay. Now, can everyone box up, color the 4 important things, and we are going to create the graph. First, it's a minimum point, minimum curve. Second, this is the x-intercept. Third, this is the line of symmetry. Fourth, this is the turning point. Now with these 4 things, I'm able to construct every graph without decimals. What is 1 positive means I extend like x times x is x squared. X squared means the A is positive. The A is 1. Okay? Now let me do it here. I also know space. Can I do it here? Okay, now first, let's do it together. Is the minimum curve means what? It's a U, and the U, I don't know where is it. There's 2 intersection points. Can you mark down? I use another color. Can you mark down? Negative 2, 3. Wrong. Wrong, right? It should be what? Negative 3. I'm sorry. It should be here, right? So far, okay? Third one is what? Line of symmetry is negative 2.5. So where is it? Here, right? This is x equals to negative 2.5. Last one. What is the minimum point? It's on the line of symmetry, but negative 0.25. So where is it? Here. Can you use your free hand? Draw a nice U. In exam, this is 3 marks. The graph. What? What line is this? The curve you just agak-agak. We won't penalize. How come this one got crooked one? No. But if you draw an N, then wrong. I can see a U, then correct. If C, then wrong. Yeah, you don't draw this and then draw what? On full paper. Then you draw already, what possible? Then you use pen, then use pencil, Then don't draw, Then learn for what? Go home. Okay, can I go on to the next type of graph? Okay, can I pause the thing and then we do some practice? Go on now. Which one? This one this one is this one, This one is turning point, Turning point means I need to start. I need to start x equals to negative 2.5 into the equation. This equation. So I put on negative 2.5 plus 2 times negative 2.5 plus 3. Then I get the answer. Can you follow? Okay. Now let's pause the video here.